Hello friends, today I'm going to share one of my favorite salad recipes with you. This is chickpea avocado salad. For this recipe I'm going to use half red onion and I'm going to chop it up. I'm going to use some cherry tomatoes and I'm going to quarter them. You can keep them into halves also if the size of the tomato is small. These are 10 to 12 mint leaves. I'm going to chop them up and these will give my salad a fresh flavor. I'm going to use half an English cucumber. It's a large one, so I'm going to use only half of it. I like to peel my cucumber. If you like the peel, you can keep the peel on. I'm going to chop this up and add it to the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to use one ripe avocado. I'm going to slice it up and scoop it with the help of a spoon and trying not to waste any of the fruit inside. I'm going to use 2 garlic cloves. These are medium sized and I don't want to use more than that. I don't want it to be too pungent. It will just give a little hint of garlicky taste. I like to boil and freeze chickpeas in a bulk. This way I can use them in different recipe and they're ready to use. You can see even in this one there is a bit of frozen chickpeas, but that's okay, they will defrost. I'm going to use half a lemon for this amount of ingredients. If you like it to be more zesty, you can use more, but I am happy to use just this much. I'm going to use about a teaspoon of salt. You can taste, and if you need more, you can obviously add more salt to it. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm using 3 tablespoons of olive oil for this. Mix all the ingredients well and you can taste if you need salt or more pepper. The salad is ready to be consumed, but I'm going to add some homemade cottage cheese to it. This is totally optional. This is my preference. You can skip this step and enjoy the chickpea avocado salad. To see more recipes like this, share, like, and subscribe the channel.